And Moody's interesting because we can watch his evolution over time. In 2009, what I would call the new Mooney wrote that atheism is not the logically inevitable outcome of Darwinism because a great many scientists believe in God with no sense of internal contradiction, just as many religious believers accept evolution as the correct theory to explain the development, diversity, and interrelatedness of life on Earth. So 2009, Mooney is saying God and evolution, fine. You want to believe in both, that's fine. He's personally an atheist. He's very open about that. But he has no problem if you want to believe in God and evolution.